First, remove the katana from its saya, or scabbard. Then place the saya in the bottom of the stand. Next, get a clean piece of rice paper or soft cotton cloth. If at any time you need two hands, place your katana on its stand with the blade facing up. Starting at the top of the habaki, or blade collar, use the rice paper or cloth to remove any previous oil. Be sure to keep the blade away from yourself and to wipe with caution. Next, lightly tap the powder ball every few inches along the blade. It may take several taps for a ball to start producing powder the first time it is used. This powder soaks up any remaining oil. Be sure to do this on both sides. Next, gently run a new piece of rice paper or cloth over the powder. This polishes the blade. Do this till there is no powder left on the blade. Next, dab a piece of rice paper or cloth with blade oil and use it to spread the oil along both sides of the blade as well as the mune or back of the blade. And finally, after inspecting the blade without touching it, place it back in its saya, then it can be placed back on its stand.